Hi, this is Todd from Snap Fresh Farm. I'm here to help you bring uber productive gardening into your home. You can grow vegetables like romaine lettuce, arugula, Swiss chard, kale, and other salad greens. You can grow spices and herbs like oregano, dill, basil, lemon balm, and mint in a hydroponics system like the one behind me 365 days a year in your own home. Don't buy an $800 to $1,000 system that's not sustainable or maintainable. We'll show you how you can build your own from simple parts from your local hardware and hydroponics store. This is an excellent way of ensuring your family is getting quality salad greens every day that you grow, and you can build it. We call this basement gardening. Read our book to show you step by step how to build the system and maintain it. You don't have to watch hundreds of online videos to learn how. We did all that for you and put everything we learned in a book and videos to show you how you can build your own uber productive hydroponic system. You can build this.